Hello guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through an entire process of creating and setting up a YouTube channel even with your mobile phone. This will work for you irrespective of the device that you're using, be it Android, iPhone, laptop or even tablet. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification icon so when I release a new video like this, you will be the first to be notified. So without wasting much of time, let's get straight into what we have for today. So guys, I'm specially making this series of full channel optimization because of my clients and students entirely. So follow my steps carefully to get the full knowledge of how to go about creating your YouTube channel. So guys, if you're using an Android phone, you won't be using the native YouTube app for this process. You should use a browser instead. So guys, go ahead and open your browser. It could be either Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, it could even be Microsoft Edge or even Opera browser, but for effectiveness and accuracy you can use Opera browser. Please note guys that Opera is not the same as Opera Mini. They are different apps. Go on your Play Store and type Opera browser, not Opera Mini, and you can use that for this video. So guys, once you open your browser, just type in or simply type in youtube.com. And this will give you access to the YouTube platform guys. So you are using a browser to access the YouTube platform. Please follow me carefully guys. Click on the top button. You will discover that it's clean. If you already have a YouTube channel, it's going to show right here. So if you have a Google account, you can use that to create an account. So click on sign in, and as you can see here, I've successfully signed in. If you want to know how to create your Google business account, the link should be somewhere around this video. Just click on it, watch it, and then create a Google account and come back to this video to continue watching. So guys, if you have a Google account, you can use that to create an account. So click on the sign in. It gives you the opportunity to type your mail because you need a Google account to accomplish this task. So guys, now that I'm logged in, as you can see, there is no channel here. So guys, click on your channel. So as you can see, it's requesting for the name. This is the name that I used to create this account. So as you can see, it brought in this. So at this point guys, please listen and pay a closer attention. If you create a channel like this, you will end up creating a personal channel and it is limited. So what you want to do right now is to create a brand YouTube channel guys, and if you proceed from this point, you will end up creating a personal channel and you will be forced to use whatever name that appears here. And the other advantage of creating a brand channel is that with the brand channel, I can have other persons come to manage my channel, especially when my channel grows bigger. Then you bring in people to come work on your channel, people like administrator, editor, manager, to manage your channel. And this is applicable to the Android or iPhone users alone. So at the top right corner of your phone, you will see the three dots right here. Just click on it and you search for desktop site. Then you click on desktop site. So type in the name that you want to use. So once you successfully type the name that you want to use, so just click on create channel. So as you can see guys, we have successfully created a YouTube channel. So I'll see you right in the next video to continue the series that we started.